Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Coinbase tax export for US crypto capital gains, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coinbase website. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate and click on the Assets tab in the top menu. Scroll down and find the tax section for your account. Click on the tax link to access your tax tools. You will see an option for Download Tax Reports. Click on this option. Select the tax year for which you want to generate the report. Choose the report format. The most common formats are CSV and PDF. After making your selections, click the Generate Report button. Wait a moment while Coinbase processes your request. Once the report is generated, you will see a download link. Click on the download link to save the report to your computer. Open the downloaded report using your preferred spreadsheet software. Review the transactions listed in the report for accuracy. Look for any discrepancies or missing data. If everything checks out, prepare to use the report for tax filing. If you see any errors, return to your Coinbase account to correct them. After making any necessary adjustments, repeat the report generation process. Keep a backup of your tax report in a secure location. You're now ready to use the report for your tax preparation or to consult with a tax professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.